Hey everyone, today we'll discuss one of my projects, namely cold email software. Talking about the client's requirements, the client wanted cold email software to automate and scale cold email prospecting efforts and close more deals. This is where our cold email and follow-up software comes in. To satisfy our clients' requirements, we build personalized cold email software to help our clients start prospects on campaigns automatically, customize emails at scale, automate follow-ups, and improve their deliverability. Cold email software helps our clients connect with the ideal customers through email. In this project, we have used AngularJS, Node.js, and Express.js to create this application. This app also supports Gmail integration. Moving on to the benefit of the cold email software. With cold email and follow-up software, you can send multiple emails from the email ID from the user sync. You can see the status of the emails sent, such as whether the email is delivered or not, the mail is open or not, and the mail is read. With this software, you can know how many replies users get from that mail that the users send and the prospect's interest level. Now, let me share the features of this software. Create a campaign. You can create, customize, and schedule a campaign according to your requirements. Providing scheduling functionality means the user can schedule their emails as a follow-up mail by giving time containing time zone and time. Follow-up mail functionality. Send email in the same mail chain that the user sends. Example, if XYZ has sent mail to a person and the person hasn't replied, then XYZ wants to send a notification mail to that person. Then XYZ will create a follow-up mail. Campaign dashboard. This feature will show the campaign list for a particular user and their details. Given the functionality to clone a campaign record, delete a campaign record, and edit a campaign record. With an add prospect functionality, users can add a CSV file containing prospect list or manually add prospects or form the database. Dashboard of the prospect. Prospect dashboard. With this prospect functionality, users can add a CSV file containing the prospect lists or manually add prospects. It will show the list of the prospects, people whom users send mail, particular users and their details. Delete a prospect record or set of prospect records. Edit a prospect record or set of prospect records. The inbox dashboard shows the list of synced emails and the details of the user's mail. Let me share the demo of this software with you. Here is the home page. This is About page. This is the sign up page. This is the login page. Let me start with the sign up page. Once you click on sign up, an automatic email is sent to this registered email ID. So, let me open this email ID. So here we can click on this link to authenticate this user. This user is authenticated now. And once a user logs in, it will be directed to the dashboard. Right now, this user doesn't have any campaign or any record, so it says blank. Once users have some records, it will show them the list of records. This is the Prospect tab, which will contain the information about prospects. We can import prospects from CSV or manual as well. This is the Inbox tab, which will show all the emails sent by this registered user by various filters. Let me now quickly add some prospects. We have a list now and we will create a campaign. Click on Campaigns and then Add Campaigns. Here we need an email address to send all the emails to prospects. So this is a Gmail integration. We have to select an email account. Let me add some campaigns from the database previously. Click on Add. Now we have to select the time. So today is Monday. So this is the start time of this campaign. Now we are ready to go with this campaign. The campaign is successfully created. Now we will move to the dashboard page. This is the campaign name. This is the email used to send emails to prospects of this campaign. This is created once we move to the inbox page. We don't have any box here. So the first image is sent to this user. The subject is the subject message, and after 2 seconds it will send to the second prospect we have selected. This is how this cold email software works. That's all about this project. Are you looking to hire end-to-end custom web applications designed to meet your specific business challenges? Our web experts can provide end-to-end web application development services including prototyping, building, redesigning or migrating web apps, thus growing your business faster. Contact Forcebolt today to learn more.